Well, good day everybody, it's Ricky from Lifestyle and Tech. It's a bit noisy, but day 2 of the trip on Oceania Riviera. And in case you can't tell where we are, just look behind me. How good is that? We are off the Amalfi Coast in Italy, and how amazing is that view? So come along, about to go ashore in the tender. Going to head off over to the coast there and explore the Amalfi Coast. So we'll see you in a while. Right, I'm right up on the top deck on Riviera. This is where the running track is. Some of the games you can play, croquet and stuff. So we're going to have a look at the view. How amazing is that? It's really hot up here. It's been 38 to 40 degrees every day, so I won't stay up here long, but oh, look at that. Just unreal. Pan around again. Yeah, we're at the Amalfi Coast, so we're here for a day and then we're off again tomorrow to Sicily. But today it's Positano and the Amalfi Coast. Wow, look at it. And I'll get out of the shot in a minute and just let the images speak for themselves. Just incredible. Right, I've just come out on the balcony from the cabin there on Riviera, and this cabin is got an extra large deck actually, because we're forward. 7007 is the cabin number. You can see it's got quite a big deck. There's beautiful lounges and 2 chairs. Now the decks above me, you can see they actually end here. And if you come down, in theory the decks above only come out to here. Our one goes there. So pretty damn good. But anyway, we'll go to the edge there and we'll just have a look. We're on the Amalfi Coast. Can't get really good shots from this side because it's on the other side of the ship, so I'll get some proper pictures of the Amalfi Coast where we're going in a minute. But for now I just want to show you the tender boats that are taking people ashore. Sorry about the sun. It's pretty bright, I can tell you. It's like 26 degrees already and it's only 8:30. They're looking at 38 degrees again today, so another day where I'm going to get frazzled. So I'll take you over, I'll have a little pan and I'll just show you down the bottom there where the tenders are taking people. There we are, there you can see. So they've got tenders going backwards and forwards to the coast today, and just an awesome setup. Don't know if you can get my ugly head in the shot. So yeah, passengers going across now, and tenders will be full. The tenders are going to run every 30 minutes backwards and forwards from the ship, so really good, awesome. We're going to have some breakfast. I'll catch up with everybody, have some breakfast. Go to the beautiful, amazing Amalfi Coast and have a look around, maybe lunch. You can see just the edge of the coastline there. I'm not sure whether we're actually at Positano or the Amalfi townships. They're very close together. Oh look, there's a third tender down there. So anyway, it's pretty damn hot out here, so I'm going to go back in and have some breakfast and get ready to tender out and go ashore. many people, just a quick one of the food. Morning. Food, you're right. Okay. So good. Yeah. There's the Oceania tent.